Meet Hasan, our newly appointed Head of GIS at BaKhabar Kissan. After nearly 4 years of dedicated service, Hasan is ready to lead our GIS department into an exciting new chapter.
My journey with Switch and BKK started way back in 2021, or January of 2021 actually. I met Khizr in December of 2020. It was around peak COVID times. And I really felt that the vision that Khizr had and what the vision of BKK was to help the Pakistani farmers was exactly what I wanted to do with my life. We're using the power of data, we're using satellite images, we're using GIS, and we're using geospatial technologies to achieve this. We want the farmers to be actually informed, like the vision of BKK is making the farmer BaKhabar instead of BeKhabar. So that's what we're doing.
With his expertise and visionary approach, he is set to drive innovation and success. Congratulations on the promotion, Hasan. Here's to a bright future ahead.